If you're tired of paying for 5, 6, or even 7 different subscriptions just to run your digital creative or marketing business, you're not alone. Kajabi for courses, ClickFunnels for funnels, ConvertKit for emails, Calendly for calls, and the list goes on. It's expensive, it's overwhelming, and worst of all, these tools don't even communicate and connect to each other. But what if I told you there is a single platform that can replace all of them? One system to manage your courses, memberships, email and SMS marketing, funnels, calendars, and even websites, all under one roof. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works and how it can keep you organized, save you money, and automate your entire digital business so you can focus on creating and selling instead of juggling a dozen different subscriptions. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see how to run your business from one dashboard and finally simplify your workflow. So let's dive straight in. The platform is called Go High Level, also known as High Level, and I'm blessed enough to be partnering with them for this video so I can show you why it's such a game changer. Go High Level is a CRM and marketing software that lets you run your entire business from one dashboard. It's not only perfect for digital marketers or digital-based businesses and creators, but it's also an amazing software for service-based businesses like photographers, hairstylists, gyms, and so much more. It can save you hundreds of dollars every month by replacing multiple tools while keeping everything organized and automated. You can use my link below to get a 14-day free trial and see it in action for yourself. There is a ton that it can do, but the best way to understand the software is to try building things on your own and see how it works. So I highly recommend you get your free trial linked below. Now, there are a couple of ways to get started with Go High Level once you've finished your trial, depending on your business needs. As you'll see, they have the starter plan, which is $97 a month, which is perfect if you're just running your own business or a single client. Then there's the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month, and it gives you unlimited sub accounts so you can run as many client accounts as you need for one price. And lastly, the agency pro plan is $497 a month, and it's ideal if you want white label capabilities to brand the software as your own and sell it to clients, creating an additional revenue stream. If you don't run an agency or multiple clients, the starter plan is ideal. But if you're an agency or manage multiple clients, the unlimited plan gives you everything you need to scale without limits. In no particular order, one of my favorite features within Go High Level is DM automation. Now, if you're a digital marketer or service-based business owner, you know how much time it takes to respond to every comment or message on Instagram, Facebook, or Messenger. Normally, you'd need a separate tool for DMs, maybe a social media inbox manager, or even hire a VA. But Go High Level replaces all of that. With this feature, you can automatically respond to comments on posts, send pre-written messages to people who DM you, pre-qualify leads before even talking to them, and follow up with reminders, links, or offers. So here's how to create one in Go High Level. First, you go to your automation tab and select workflows. You'll click create workflow and choose a trigger. So for example, Instagram comment or new Instagram DM. Next, you add an action like sending a message, tagging the lead, or adding them to a funnel. Then you'll customize the message with variables like their first name for personalization, and then you could activate the workflow and your system responds automatically 24/7. This one feature alone can save hours every week, capture more leads, and make your social media actually work for you instead of being a time drain. The next tool within Go High Level is the funnel and landing page builder, which pairs perfectly with DM automation to turn your leads into actual sales. So if you're running a digital marketing business or a service-based business, you know that capturing leads is only half the battle. You need a funnel that converts, a landing page that guides your audience to take action, but traditionally this means using other softwares that again don't talk to each other. So Go High Level fills that gap by letting you build landing pages, sales funnels, and opt-in forms all in one platform. So here's how to create a funnel in Go High Level. First, you go to your funnels and websites tab and select funnels. Next, you'll click create new funnel, give it a name, and choose a template or start from scratch. If you're starting from scratch, you can customize the page using the drag and drop editor by adding headlines, images, forms, and buttons. Then you can add your form element and customize that to your liking, as well as the thank you page. Next, you want to create another automation funnel that sends whatever you promised to deliver to your audience, whether that was that freebie or a guide of some sort. Then once you've created your landing page or your opt-in form, you can hit publish on your funnel and start sending traffic. With this system, your leads move seamlessly through your funnel and convert into paying customers, all without juggling multiple tools. Now, the next feature I want to cover is email marketing. So traditionally, running email campaigns means paying for a separate service like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit, and then trying to integrate it with your funnels, forms, and automations. But Go High Level replaces all of that by letting you create, send, and automate emails right inside the same platform. And here's why that's so helpful. You can nurture leads automatically after they opt in. You can send broadcasts or drip sequences to keep your audience engaged, track opens, clicks, and conversions all in one dashboard, and pair seamlessly with DM automation or SMS sequences for multiple channel follow-ups. So here's how to set up an email campaign inside Go High Level. First, go to the marketing tab and select emails, click create new campaign. You can use a template or start from scratch, customize how you'd like, click send or schedule, fill out the info about from which email that you're sending the email from, and select your audience or list, and you can hit send. You can schedule multiple emails, personalize with variables like first name, and include links to your funnel offers as well. So Go High Level will automatically send and track all the emails, and with this, your leads are nurtured automatically, your funnels convert better, and you're saving money and time by keeping everything under one roof. Another powerful feature for digital marketers, coaches, and service-based business owners is the ability to create your own course within Go High Level. Normally, creating and selling online courses means paying for separate platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific, and then trying to integrate them with your email and automation systems. Go High Level replaces all of that by letting you host, deliver, and sell courses directly inside the same platform that you're already using for funnels, emails, and automations. So here's why this is so helpful. Everything is in one place with no extra subscriptions. You can create modules, lessons, and drip schedules for your students. You can connect courses directly to your funnels, email campaigns, and DM automations. And you can automate access and payment fulfillment so you don't have to manually enroll students. So here's how to create a course in Go High Level. First, go to the membership tab and select courses, click products, and create product. You can start from scratch or import from Kajabi. Then you can add modules and lessons, uploading videos, PDFs, or other resources. You can publish right away or drip it if you want to release lessons over time. To make it all automated, you can connect your course to your funnel and set up automated access after purchase. So with this feature, you can sell digital products, coaching, or training programs without juggling multiple platforms. It makes your business fully automated and scalable. Next, I wanted to touch on Go High Level's membership feature, which is perfect if you want to build a community, create recurring income, or deliver exclusive content to your audience. Normally, running a membership means paying for tools like Podia, Kajabi, Circle, or Patreon, and then trying to connect everything to your website, email, and payment systems. So Go High Level replaces all of that by letting you create custom membership sites directly inside the platform. Now, here's why this is such a powerful feature. You can build private communities or member-only portals. You can offer recurring subscriptions for consistent income. You can bundle your courses, trainings, or resources into one hub, and you can automatically manage logins and access with no manual setup and integrate directly with your funnels, automations, and payment systems. So here's how to set it up in Go High Level. First, you'll go to the Sites tab and click on Memberships. Click Create New Membership, give it a name, and choose whether it's free or paid. Then you'll add your content, so this could be videos, PDFs, or courses that you've already created. Then you need to create an offer where you can set up the access and checkout. And then lastly, you'll just need to connect your checkout page to your automated funnel, so when someone pays, they're automatically added to the membership, which I won't go into detail in this video because there is a little bit of tech behind it and I want to keep this video concise. But memberships are perfect for digital product creators, coaches, or service-based businesses who want consistent monthly revenue and deeper audience connection, all without needing multiple platforms. Now, the calendar feature is one of the most underrated tools inside Go High Level, especially for anyone who books calls, consultations, or client sessions. Now, normally you'd be paying for something like Calendly, Acuity, or Book Like a Boss just to manage appointments. But Go High Level replaces all of that, and the best part, it integrates directly with your funnels, automations, and CRM, so no more missed follow-ups or double bookings. So here's why this is so helpful. Clients can book calls directly from your website or funnel. You can automate confirmation and reminder emails or texts. It syncs with Google Calendar, so you'll never get overbooked. And you can even assign calendars to team members if you're running an agency. Here's a quick overview of how you set it up. First, you go to the Calendars tab in your Go High Level dashboard, click Create Calendar and choose your type, round robin, team, or individual. You set your availability, time zone, and meeting length. Add your form fields like name, email, and purpose of call. Customize your confirmation and reminder message using SMS or email automations. Embed your calendar on your website, funnel, or landing page, and you're ready to start booking. This one feature alone can replace multiple apps, eliminate back and forth scheduling, and help you automate your entire client booking process. Now, the last feature that I want to cover in this video in particular is the website builder inside Go High Level, which is another tool that can save you both time and money. Now, traditionally, building a professional website means using WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow, and then trying to integrate it with your funnels, email marketing, and automations. Go High Level replaces all of that, letting you create a full website, funnels, and landing pages all in one platform. And here's why that is so useful. You can build a professional website or full sales funnel without coding. You get to keep your CRM, email, SMS, and automation all connected in one place. You can add pages for services, courses, memberships, or contact forms really quickly. And the drag and drop editor makes it super easy to customize your layouts, buttons, images, and forms. So here's how to create a website in Go High Level. First, you'll go to the Sites tab and select Websites. Then you'll click Create New Website and pick a template or start from scratch. You would just use the drag and drop editor to add your pages, your sections, images, buttons, and forms. Then you will link your pages to your funnels, memberships, courses, or booking calendars. Then you will hit publish and your website is basically live and you'll have a fully integrated website with your marketing and automation system. So as you can see, Go High Level is more than just another marketing tool. It's a complete all-in-one platform for running your business. So to recap, it literally replaces hundreds of dollars of tools such as your DM automation, funnel and landing pages, email marketing, course creation, memberships, calendar bookings, and website building. All of these features work seamlessly together, saving you time, money, and headaches. So whether you're a digital marketer, agency, or service-based business, Go High Level can replace multiple subscriptions and help you scale efficiently. So there are so many more things that this powerful system can do. So if you do want to try it for yourself, you can start a 14-day free trial using my link below to build your first workflow and see how you can simplify your business. As always, if you love this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video from me. Thanks so much for watching and keep building your dream.